What's happening, y'all? I finally got my unlevel wall dilemma figured out. Okay, let's get comfy here. There we go. Alright, so I got my corner figured out, what was going on over there. I had to do a lot of jacking and moving jacks and all that shit. I had to beat big rocks into little rocks, removed that pillar that was crooked falling over like that one from there, which was a ordeal for a 60-year-old man with that and that hammer and that pry bar. Oh, it was great fun. Now I can pour concrete there, pour concrete there, set those blocks. Do the same as over there. I'm going to crisscross just the one block up front. I think that'll give it more stability on the roll there that it didn't have before. So yeah, moving right along. After I get them blocks set, then I'll be able to put the 2x10s back on the front, rolling around, replace all those rotten 2x10s that was there, reattach them to all the floor joists. That 2x4, there's going to be a long one runs all the way to there, and then another one over to there, and then the 2x10 will be nailed to it as well as the floor joists, so the floor joists will rest on the 2x4 like it is that one there, all the way down for additional support. And yeah, maybe I won't have to mess with this again. Well, never. It'll be somebody else's problem, because I'm going to probably get all this done and then just keel over. They'll find me on my couch with a bag of Twizzlers laying on the floor.